These 2 years have been quite interesting for the stock and crypto markets, from the March 2020 crash of both, which was artificially induced by government response and the panic of the people, considering there was no real data yet, nor any actual economical concerns at that time. Then there was a great bull market for both, which continued for a while, until real economy issues surfaced, even before the war applied. So then for about 3 of the last 4 months, there was dipping of major stocks and cryptocurrencies like AMD, Tesla, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and for other stocks and coins like Pinterest or Cardano, there was actually crashing or a lot of loss of value. Things were starting to rally and look like there could be a turnaround, and there was a lot of sideways movement with volatility and patterns that were great for trading. However, this week, with the bad inflation report and also being a 3-day weekend, that ended. A lot of coins are cooling, a lot of stocks are dipping again. Some are even dipping below their support that they had established for the last few weeks. So I'm waiting cautiously for a new pattern to emerge to begin trading again. However, there's plenty of stocks worth buying and holding right now for a great recovery later this year or next year. Just like oil and natural gas are so high, they're probably worth shorting right now. But with that said, that's my thoughts of these 2 years, and hopefully we're all in for a good year after this.